Okay, we're going to put a nice outlet on here. We have 3 wires coming out of our box. Here in the country I was born in, your white is neutral, your black is live, and your bare wire is the ground. I'll bring this out a little bit further because I'm going to hook the outlet up. Okay, our outlets are polarized. You put your white wire on the silver screw, which is the wide slot. Your black wire goes on the brass screw, which is the narrow slot. And of course, your bare wire goes on the green screw. Yes, Miranda. There it is. Make sure your copper's under the screw head all the way around. Now we'll get our white wire. This loop is a little bit too big here, different here, so I'll open that up a little bit. I'm going to open this all the way up. I'm going to take a slight bit more off our insulation off here. And I'll straighten, make this a nicer loop. So what I'll do is I'll flatten our wire right out. I'll start right over again. I'll make a nice loop here. You always put your wire around the screw, the direction that your screw turns. Now this outlet has, see the little slots here on the side? Not many of them have this, but you'll see the little groove here and here. See the groove there and there? It's a guide to help hold the wire in place. So I tighten it like this. So it looks like that, and see how it's in the groove there and in the groove here, and our insulation is not pinched under our screw head. Now I'll bring it down this way, and we'll get our black wire. I'll do the same thing. I'll open this up a little bit. I'll take a little more insulation off here. Up, get under our terminal here, and I'll close our loop the direction our screw turns. See how it goes down in that slot there? And we'll just tighten this up. Make sure it's nice and tight like that. Now we'll fold our ground wire. We'll go zigzag across the bottom with our ground wire. And we'll go down and up with our black and white like this. And we'll keep our ground wire down on the bottom. And we'll just push it back into our box. And we're going to keep our ground wire down on the bottom like that, so it stays away from everything. And we're all set. Just stick our cover on here. And we're all set.